Hey guys, welcome to THULE channel, and today I'm reviewing the THULE Crossover 2 boarding bag 25 liters. And this is actually my favorite travel hack and go-to bag for a long trip.
And here's why. Just check out this perfect minimalist combo. In this video, I'll show you the bag from the inside out, compartments and their individual capacity, and then we will feel the bag to see how much it can fit. I really like the durable nylon material of the bag, very similar to the material of the THULE en route backpack that you may have already seen on my channel. The front panel has a lot of pockets and a large zippered mesh pocket. I think it's smart to have a convenient place to store electronics and documents. Plus, a key holder is always a good idea. The big main compartment is very roomy and also has two pockets. And here we have a dedicated padded storage panel for a laptop. And very useful rear slab pocket. I really like a very comfortable removable padded shoulder strap. And at the end of the video, I'll show you how I carry this boarding bag. So, here's the fun part, packing my bag. And don't worry, for everything you see on the screen, I'll place links in the video description below. Well, I didn't find any information about the bag's water resistance on the official THULE website, but as you can see, it looks pretty water resistant. As I mentioned before, this is one of my favorite bags for traveling for a few days or a week. In fact, my family has traveled for an entire month with just carry-on luggage and this boarding bag, which fits perfectly under an airplane seat. That's why we have two of these. They are absolutely perfect for minimalist travelers.